Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome to the newest, latest update for free movies, TV shows, live TV, you name it. We can get it here on the Fire Stick, all for free. First things first, make sure your Fire TV stick is up to date. Go over to the little cog wheel, come on down, go to My Fire TV, in the About, make sure, check for updates. Boom. Check for updates. Latest update is up to date. I have version 7646. Alright. We're up to date. We can go back home. In the little search icon, type in downloader. While we're typing it in, you probably get to the O, maybe the W, and it's already pre-populated here. Come on down, downloader. This gives us access to my website, ledbytheunknown.com, for quick and easy downloads for applications, for sure available on Google Play Store, but we can't put the Google Play Store on the Fire Stick. So what we do, get downloader. Click on it, download. I already own it, so it puts it in the queue, downloads it here fairly quickly, installs it, and away we go. Just like an app store, makes it super easy. We can click on it, boom, go to the website, download whatever we want, right? So get yourself a trusty VPN. Would be NordVPN. So you can just type in here Nord, N-O-R-D. We can click on it. Use the link below to get a discount, like 65% off of NordVPN today. We need to download it. So it says download, you own it. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. It helps out for the algorithm with YouTube and being able to show this content to more people out there who need, that are available outside of the Fire Stick. Looks like it's installed. Okay. Now we're going back to the home screen. Push the home button. So guys, use the link below, log in, create your account outside of the Fire Stick, and use the QR code, and away you go. So as you can tell, it says I'm not connected. I can connect now. I can figure out where I want to go. So today, I'm gonna go from Canadian to be in the US. So Nord, geolocation. Connection request. Nord wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor traffic. Only accept if you trust the source. We do accept. Yes, we do trust the source. Boom. Connecting to the United States. Now, okay guys, once we're logged in, we're going to use the downloader app to hit up my webpage. Now, downloader needs to access these things in order to allow it to download applications onto your device. So say allow. We say OK. Now once we're here, go up into the little search area and type in this little quick link 54685. Once you've done that, we can hit go, and this is a quick link to the ledbytheunknown.com. Now there's a quick little, well, slow, long, whatever, 5-second redirect. Once this is done, guys, hit the little hamburger button on your remote again. And please, add current page to your favorites. So we can push save, boom. Okay, guys, now that we're here, we're going to go to our download page. Now, quickest way to get to it, probably, if it's not right there, as you can see with the little icon or the little thing there, we can just come here. We can come down to downloads. Just click on downloads. And now we're in the downloads page. We can come on down. And guys, updates all the best apps for the month of July. This is constantly updated. This gives us the ideas for the best apps. So remember, up and down, check it out, check all the applications. Now please, like I said, get yourself a VPN. NordVPN, get out your phone. This is on your TV now. Since it's on your Fire Stick, get out your phone, take a shot of the QR code, and that'll help you out severely. Now guys, as you can tell, we got a couple apps right here. Live apps, streaming apps. Yes, Zumo and Pluto are probably available through the Amazon Fire Stick. The middle one probably definitely isn't, but these apps are also available through the Google Play Store, which, like I said, we can't put the Google Play Store on our Fire Stick, so we can just get them right here. And remember, just go up and down and find other apps that you may like to try. So in order to do that, click on Zumo. Takes you to the Zumo download page. And we have our Amazon Fire Stick, and this will also work on any Android device. So if you have a phone, an Android TV other than an Amazon stick, it'll work. So click on Amazon, quick little redirect or download automatically to your device. Super quick, super easy. Now guys, you're all going to be like, you haven't jailbroken my Fire Stick yet. It does it for us. Like, why? I don't even know why I say jailbreak Fire Stick. Like, what's the point? It does it for us. When you download an app and it's like, downloader's not allowed to do it yet, but here, just click the settings button and I'll show you how to do it. Install unknown apps is the jailbreak feature. Turn it on, push back, it sends us right back to downloader, and away we go. All right, so now we can download and install the latest Zumo Play application. Now, when you down at the bottom, you might not be able to see it behind my head, but it's definitely on your screen. Hit install. Once you've hit install, it'll install the application. Once the application is installed, we do not want to open it yet, even though it asks you to. We want to back up. Not back up yet. Wait. We want to now back up. There we go. And delete the APK file because we no longer need the install file. Boom, delete. Now guys, remember, we're in here. We can go back and we do it with Pluto. We can go back and we can do it with the other applications. We can go up and down and check out all the other applications that are available on your Fire Stick. That may not be in the Apple or Amazon store. Click home. Now where to go? Back to the My Apps and Games icon button. And we got Zumo. And again, push the hamburger button, move it to the front, go back home. We now have Nord on. And sorry. Now we can click on Zumo. And there you go, guys. Live TV, movies, TV shows, everything you ever wanted on your Fire Stick. Check it out. Check out all the other applications. Some may need the VPN, some may not. If you want to geolocate yourself properly, I would definitely use the VPN. All right. Cool. Peace. Take it easy. If you enjoyed what you liked, give me a like. If you really enjoyed it, subscribe. If you really, really enjoyed it, put a comment below. And if you hated it, put a comment and tell me what I need to do better. Thanks. Peace out. Again. This is the part of the show that doesn't exist. So please don't tell anybody. Let them find out for themselves, because I think 90% plus of my videos have this in the end. So go back and check them out if you didn't know that. I advise that there is a bill, Canada Bill 211, I want to say. No, that's not it. Google Canada Bill for news. Bill C-18. The government, this is straight from Google. June 29th, 2023. An update on Canada's Bill C-18 and our search and news products. C-18 has become law and remains unworkable. This is Google. The government has not given us reason to believe that the regulatory process will be available to resolve structural issues with the legislation. As a result, we have informed the government that we have made the difficult decision that when the law takes effect, we will be removing links to Canadian news from our search. News and Discover products will no longer be available to operate Google News Showcase in Canada. Google's doing this, Facebook's doing this, a bunch of social media platforms are doing this. I wonder what Twitter's going to do. But so, from what it sounds like, does that include YouTube? Like, if you want to share news or new things or what I'm doing, does that mean Google's going to limit the ability for Canadians to see it? Or everybody, since it's a Canadian thing? Like, I don't get it, period. I don't understand. Apparently, our wonderful leader in charge here in Canada believes that Canadians should get money for their work. Sure, they do. I don't know how much more money you could give them for news and journalism on top of what they already get. Like, I don't understand. People like me do this for free. Like, okay, wow, someone signs up for a VPN, I get a couple dollars. Thank you for those who do it. It helps keep the flippin' lights on, but it's not a full-time job here. Like, I'm not Mr. B or Unspeakable or any of those other crazy YouTubers that my kids watch making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Like, I don't know where I'm going with this, but it's a little concerning as to whether or not when this legislation is actually like completed, finalized, added, what's going to happen with Canadian content. Yeah, like I don't know. So maybe I'll see you, maybe I won't. But it's always a good ride. Take care, everyone. We'll talk soon. Peace.